Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Wow, Loire Blue 3 litre diesel V6 Jaguar XF premium luxury automatic sport brake, 73,000 miles, 9 services, cam belt replaced at 61,000 miles. What a beautiful thing. Premium luxury, so nice spec, 3 litre diesel, bigger engine, 9 services, 2 owners, 73,000 miles, cam belt replaced at 61,000 miles. I can see it's got a reverse camera, rear park sensors, privacy glass, aluminium roof rails, lovely 18-inch wheels with 4 matching Pirelli premium tyres, keyless entry, keyless start, Pirelli Cinturato, front fogs, headlamp washers, daytime running lights. So yeah, got the squares on the door handles for the keyless entry, MERIDIAN HIFI, black leather electric heated seats. Okay, premium luxury, so electric seats, memory driver seat, electric steering column, paddle change, cruise control, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, got the dynamic button, so it's got the sports mode, 3 litre. Black leather, lovely condition. It'll have a power tailgate, this. 2015 in the year, 2 owners. Lovely and clean in the boot, apart from the dandelions floating around in the air. Ooh. Yeah, load cover, super clean. Press the button. 3 litre diesel V6 2015, 73,000 miles. Cam belt replaced at 61. Loire Blue, black leather. Lovely specification. Beautiful condition. 2 owners from new, 2 keys. Great service history. Pretty car. Just driven it. Drives very well. So, MERIDIAN HIFI, electric windows, electric mirrors, leather steering wheel, cruise control, 73,600 miles, reverse camera, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, dynamic button, the heated seats, electric seats, memory seat. Doesn't get much better than that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Jaguar XFs in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock, and you will then be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.